a button. Who do you think is going to be eliminated? Elimination time. Mini Dude and White Corner Racer. You guys are both safe with 0 votes. Now, one of you guys are safe with 1 vote, and the other is eliminated with 2. Boom. I'm sorry, Salmon. You're eliminated with 2 votes. Wait, what? I'm eliminated? Yay, I'm safe. Alright guys, the next challenge is to sword fight. The last team surviving wins immunity. I really don't know what to say. Anyways, 3, 2, 1, go! Naruto! I didn't know he could do that. What? Hey, I was supposed to do that. Done. Ah, what was that for? Both of the teams died at the same time, so they're both up for elimination. Now, vote who you want to be eliminated. I really don't know what else to say. Anyways, goodbye.